Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, HD radio, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.